Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. For this video, we will be dealing with a new topic for grammar and usage, which is parallel structure. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. English grammar is considered to be tricky. Others treat language as something complicated to learn. However, just like many other things, we can try to expand our understanding through dedication to learning. In the case of parallel structure, what one should remember is that the elements of a sentence that perform the same purpose as the others should be in the same form. For example, when the verbs used are in ing form, all other verbs should take the progressive form of gerunds. To illustrate this, refer to the succeeding examples. In this first example, the gerunds should be in a parallel structure by having the verbs used in the same ing form. The first sentence is incorrect because of the inconsistency of the application of a parallel structure. The infinitive form of to dance is inappropriate for this sentence as the others are in the progressive form of gerunds. In this second example, the word will connotes an expectation for something. Therefore, it is in the future tense. On the other hand, would is a past tense of will and is used to express hypothetical questions. In accordance with the rules of parallel structure, the elements should follow the same pattern. Now that you are aware of faulty parallelism, let's have a quick practice exercise. Determine what word or phrase made it incorrect and replace it on your own. The answer will be revealed after each given sentence. You have 15 seconds to answer each item, but feel free to pause the video if you need more time. For item number 1, detect if there is parallelism or none. Make some changes accordingly to make the sentence parallel. Luis tried calling and messaging his aunt. Your 15 seconds starts now. Time's up. The sentence has no errors. Both verbs in ing form are in parallel to each other. For item number 2, the department is looking for an intern who is friendly, organized, meticulous, and is going to arrive to work on time. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Going to arrive is incorrect in this sentence. When a series is composed of adjectives, do not mix other forms. For example, mixing the adjectives in the above sentence with the infinitive phrase, to arrive to work on time, will break the parallel structure of the sentence. The best to do here is to look for words that equate to the given phrase, such as punctual. For item number 3, Maria wanted to make sure her debut is effortless, beautiful, and creatively planned. Your 15 seconds starts now. Time's up. Creatively planned is inconsistent with parallelism in the sentence. The prior words are in an adjective form, whereas the latter is in an adverb form. To be in accordance with the rules of parallel structure, the elements should follow the same pattern. You have gone to the end of this video. Make sure to practice detecting faulty parallelism in sentences. In time, you will be an expert in making parallel structures. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.